Hi, this is Ratan Gupta from Knowledgeversity. In this video session, we are going to understand how to use custom data validation using simple formula. In cell C2, we have to write a sales number which has the maximum value of this and has the minimum value of this. It can be achieved using simple data validation, but that will not be dynamic. So we would want it to make it dynamic. So what we do is we'll go to this cell, go to data validation, go to custom, and we'll go to between any value. Okay, we'll go to decimal, between, and then we'll say what is the minimum value. So for minimum, what we'll do is we'll write equal to minimum, and we'll select this. And for maximum, we'll say equal to maximum, max, and include this, and press OK. So if now we are writing a sales number of, let's say, 99, we'll get an error because the maximum value is 72 and the minimum value is 9. So if we write 8, again we'll get error. But if we write 9, it will be accepted. If we write 73, the maximum value is 78. If we write 79, it is not getting accepted. So this is the way you can create a data validation with minimum and maximum.